Hello friends, today we will be learning how to run our first Python program on our Windows machine. So our first step will be to download the Python software from the Python official website python.org. So let us visit python.org. So you can see here we have the download menu, and here we have Python 3.13.5, a stable version of the Python. So just click on it and it will be downloaded. So I have already downloaded the Python to reduce the video timing. So yeah, so here we have the Python that I have downloaded. Just double click on it to install the Python software on your system. So here we have multiple options like install now or the customization or customize installation. So we'll go with the customize installation, and we'll check this box add python.exe to path. So it will add our Python installation to our system environment variable, and click on customize installation. So here we have, you will be installing documentation, pip command, and other useful related Python options. So just click next. Then we want to install Python for all the users, so every user can use it. Just you can also change the installation folder of your system. So currently it will be installing by default in the C drive and the Python 313 folder. So just click on install and allow it to install on your system. So it is installing. Once it is installed, we can run our first or write our first Python program, and we can see how we can run it. So I'm waiting for the installation. So you can see here the setup was successful. That means Python software is being installed in our system successfully. So close the window, installation window, and let us open Visual Studio Editor to write our first Python program. So here we have one Python folder. So in that particular Python folder, or anywhere you can write your program, just write a Python code. So for writing that, we'll just create a file. So test.py. So any Python program will be written as .py. So the name of the file then will be end with .py extension. So this is test.py. This is a Python file. So once we have created the Python file, we will test one statement in the Python that, for example, you want to print some statement in Python. So for printing any statement in Python, just write print and just write a welcome message. Welcome to Python learning, right? And save it. Once it is being saved, now we can run this Python program using our terminal. So in the Visual Studio Code, you can open the terminal by clicking Control plus tilde operator, or you can also open the terminal from View Command Platelet. Just or View, one second. So here we have terminal option. So just click on the terminal. So that way terminal will be also open. So once the terminal is open, what is this? Once the terminal is open, just write Python a space the name of the file test dot py extension and hit enter. Okay, so you can see here it is displaying the message print a statement welcome to Python learning. So in this way you can write your first Python program, install the Python software and run it as I have discussed here. So similarly you can run other Python programs, just creating a file, just for example test.py. You can write other codes here, right? So for example, suppose we want to add two numbers. So take one variable a is equal to 10, right, and b is equal to 10. Just print a plus b, right, and save it and again run the same command python space test.py. So you can see here the welcome to Python learning first statement has been printed and the second 10 plus 10 20 is printed. So that's it. Hope you can able to learn your first Python program and able to execute it on your system. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video or if you have any suggestions for any other video you want to learn, any other concept in the Python, please do comment us in the comment section. Thank you very much.